And now we are on page 17 on our workbook. Let's make revision on lesson 3 on unit 3. Number 1, calculate the area of each of the following squares. So we must read the question carefully to know which figure or which shape that we will get its area. So here, square, the side length is 4.5 centimeter. As we know, here's the square. To get its area, we have two rules of it. Here, the first one is what? Side multiply itself, or what? Half multiply, diagonal multiply itself. Okay? Then, here we have what? The side. So, side by side. So, its area will be 4.5 multiply 4.5. Yes, will be 20.25 centimeter square. Then, number C. If the diagonal length is 8, here we have the diagonal 8. So the area will be half multiply 8 multiply itself 8. By using your calculator, with me, will be 32 centimeter square. Then A and D homework. Then question number 2, number A. Let's read it. The area of a square. So this is what the area. Make circle and write this is area. Find the length of its diagonal. So he wants to calculate its diagonal. So here our rule that the area is half multiply diagonal multiply itself. So here our area is 200 equal half multiply diagonal multiply itself. So here I want to convert this multiply to other side to be divide. So diagonal multiply diagonal equal 200 divided half. So here we can solve it as half, or here this 2 will be up 2 by. Okay, but I prefer to solve it as we studied. So diagonal multiply itself will be 400. So which two equal number, the product between them give me 400? Here will be, yes teacher, 20 centimeter. Okay, then number B. Find the area of the square whose perimeter is 20. So here he wanted to calculate the area of what? Square. And we have the perimeter. So here he wants to calculate the area, and we have the perimeter 20 centimeter. From this perimeter we can calculate what, or we can find what of the square? We can find the side. So the side will be perimeter divided 4. So 20 divided 4 give me 5 centimeter. And now we have the side. So from this side I can calculate the area. So the area will be side multiply side, 5 multiply 5 equal 25 centimeter square. Yes. Then question number 3 for homework. It's very easy. Okay, and now we'll go to question number 5. Here we have what? Find the area of the shaded part in this figure. Okay, so this figure, the big one, represent what? Square or rhombus or rectangle or what? Look at its side. Here this side 8 and this side 12. Different side and parallel. So that means it's what? Rectangle. So on the rectangle, what its properties? Each two opposite side equal in length. So this will be also 12 centimeter. And if this one is 8, so this one will be 8 centimeter. He want to calculate the shaded part. So he wanted to remove, this is the small one, or this is a small square. Okay, so I will calculate the area of the rectangle alone. So here the area of rectangle will be length multiply width, so 12 multiply 8 equal 96 centimeter square. And then I will calculate the area of the square or the small ones and make minus between them. But here we have, or we know each side, no teacher, but here this side is from this point to this point is the width, and here from any point on this side joining any point on this side that represent what? That represent the width of the or this line will be parallel or equal to this length. So here it's what? 8. So this is 8, teacher, and this represent in the square represent what? It represent a diagonal. So here this diagonal 8 and this diagonal also will be 8. So here it's easily to calculate the area of the square equal half multiply 8 multiply 8. So give me 32 centimeter square. So I can now find the area of the shaded part by making minus between them. Okay, so the area of the shaded part will be 96 minus 32 will be 64 centimeter square.